bite of it.
Ah, yeah. Ánimo. Should have brought the hybrid. This thing's too loud. I like how me and Jesus are holding on and Hades is chilling.
Wondering why
did we stop?
it felt like a Honda.
Dot.
Chill out! I just bought this water bottle, dude.
Maybe I should buckle now, cause
He never had it on.
hit it.
Huele quemado.
I'm done. Look at this dude. What gun is this?
Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
Yeah.
Hey, he said what he said. He does what he does. Jesus, no biting, please.
You didn't say stop. You liked it.
Oh, damn.
You drive a Honda.
I know. I felt like right here.
Dude, it's fine, bro. Just buy me a new gun.
Por? So he said how many guns are in this bag right here.
Like,
What's your guess?
you don't have guns, dude.
What's your guess, cameraman?
5.
Damn you. How did they get in? You were there when I was putting them in the bag.
I was gonna say
How many are in there?
5.
Míralo.
There's one.
Which one's your favorite one? Alright,
They're all my favorite. Though.
like where I'm.
so he doesn't have a favorite one.
Nah.
That was a trick question.
It's all lighter.
I don't know. Actually, it might be.
This bad boy? So this guy wants me to wear these bad boys? I told him I'm a man.
No. He said these.
Alright, I'm gonna head out. Step 1, wear a hat to blend in. Or you can wear a tie-dye shirt to blend in.
I feel like dudes always wear that shirt. It's not hitting it?
Yeah, you're hitting.
It is?
Yeah.
Can't hear it. I was hitting it?
You hit it every time.
Really?
Mint.
I just wasted a third of my overall ammo.
How do you feel about that?
feel bougie.
Le llaman el Jesús.
What are you looking for, bro? Speak up.
Mine that had the clip on it.
Oh, it's not in here?
Oh, that's what it is?
I did see some gay shit. What's under here?
Oh, it's there.
I know it's
Where
under-
the fuck is it?
So someone.
Basically, just stand there and it's like, all right.
So
like, if I'm
basically,
in my car,
Marco's gonna help him out
when the cars
because
are dark, they don't get dark.
You try to load a 30 round magazine, right?
30.
you try to hold the camera all day.
But,
That's easy. Pocket change.
oh, like right now they're a little dark and I can't even tell. Yeah, they're
How does
dark.
pocket change equal easy?
That's it?
Yeah. Ammo's expensive right now.
Dun dun. He just gave him
That
this.
show.
Fear factor.
Oh, that's love.
You want me to eat it, huh?
All right, go. Go. Go and then brake hard.
Damn. The arrow.
Best cassette ever made, bro. It's a mixtape. Tell me you're ready.
Hit it.
You have avocado.
Yo, parce, ¿qué querían? ¿Limones o qué?
See? You know what you're doing?
Probably not. Bro, I'm only doing there's mainly for avocados. Oh! Para la bolsa chica. Fire? Yeah, I won't go in there. Whatever is your finger, I might pull the string.
Ooh.